Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on the Shark cordless vacuum cleaner. So this is model number IZ462H. This is the ultra lightweight with dual fins, has a 160-minute runtime. So here's everything that comes in the box. We do have two attachments. We can attach those to the wand or right to the machine, very simple. Now you are going to have to plug this into the wall. This is how you're going to charge the machine. You're going to charge it right here. It does have, I can take this battery off, but it only comes with one battery. Now, when this thing fills up with dirt, you're gonna take this over to you're gonna take it over to your trash can, you're gonna press this button, and like a trap door, that's all gonna come out very easy. Once in a while, you do have to take this filter assembly off, press this button. In here, there is a filter here and here. You will have to clean these once in a while, make sure they're nice and dry. Now, there is a HEPA filter right here. Just pull it. Sometimes you do have to clean that HEPA filter or even replace it. Very simple to work on. Line this up, put your filters back in, line that little notch up in the bottom, rotate it up and click it. Now it's got two speeds of operation. You've got like hardwood floor and then carpet. But I also have this switch that's spring loaded. If I wanted to boost up the suction, I'm gonna press that switch and it's gonna really bump up the suction. So let's put it all together. Now with this, I can attach this right to here. This is really nice for cleaning stairs, nice and lightweight. But let's put the wand on. So you're gonna attach the wand. There's just these little release tabs. Now for storing this, or say I need to vacuum, I can vacuum like this. Get it underneath the big couch, but for storing it, I'm also gonna use that. This is how you store it. Plug the charging cable in, charge it, and it's ready to go. When you need to start using it, press this button, and now I can start vacuuming. I'm gonna show you how it cleans on hardwood floors and on carpet, but first let's take a look. And again, I could use the wand, I could put the extension on the wand, get up really high. Now let's take a look. I love when they have this duo fins. It's got this roller in front of a roller. This is a really soft roller. That's gonna help bring the big chunks and debris into where it can get picked up. There's the roller. Now we can take this off. There's these little, little things that are gonna grab hair. So when hair gets wrapped around that, these little teeth are gonna grab that hair and help remove that hair. It does have headlights. So, and it's got a little indicator to let us know of the brush speed right here. Green is good. So let's go see how it does on carpet and on hardwood floor. Okay, so I thought this one, it does say that it is ultra lightweight. I do think it's lightweight. When it was on carpet, I did have it on high and I was pulling the trigger for maximum suction. I also had the rollers on high, but when I was on hardwood floors, I did put it on hardwood floor and these were turning at a lower speed. I thought I did really good on hardwood floors, got next to the edge, but it also did really good on carpet. It was lightweight on carpet. I don't necessarily like having to hold that trigger for max, but it does help save on battery so that you're not using it all the time. Let's take it over to the trash can. We can see it filled the bin up really good. There's the trap door release. Just press that button. Everything's gonna come out. Close it, you're ready to go. This is a pretty nice vacuum cleaner. Again, lightweight. I do wish that that switch was on more, you know, not having to hold it like that. But other than that, this is a really nice vacuum cleaner. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.